بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book, page 19. So today we will study about parts of plants and their functions. Let's start. Parts of plants. A plant has many different parts. What do these parts do? Let us find out. Flowers. Flowers are the parts of some plants that become fruits and seeds. These grow into new plants. Flower is the reproductive part of plant. It becomes fruits and seed, and when we grow these seeds, it grow into a new plant. Roots. Roots take in water from the plant from the soil. Roots work like straws to suck up water. They also help to hold the plant firmly in the ground. The function of roots are it take water from the soil and it hold the plant in the ground. Now leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves also make a gas called oxygen. We breathe in oxygen from the air to keep us alive. Leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. So, during photosynthesis, oxygen is produced, and this oxygen is used by human beings for breathing, and in return, we give carbon dioxide to the plant, and the plants use this carbon dioxide in photosynthesis for making food. Stems. Stems are the stalks that move water and food through the plant to the leaves and flowers. Stems also support the parts of a plant. So, stem acts like a bridge. It carries food from leaves to the roots and flowers, and water from the roots to the leaves and flowers, and it also supports the other parts of a plant. Look at here, branches, leaves and flowers grow on stem. Now come to next page. Although many plants have flowers, not all of them do. Flowers are of many different colors, shapes and sizes. Some flowers are used for decoration, while some are used for making medicines. Some flowers grow into fruits. Flowers are of different colors. Flowers are different in colors, shape and size. Some flowers are used for medicines and some are for decoration, and some flowers grow into fruits. Fruits such as strawberries, apples and apricots all grow from flowers. हमने कहा flowers are the reproductive part, और फिर हमने पढ़ा कि flowers जो है वो fruits और flowers से fruits और seeds बनते हैं. तो strawberries, apples and apricot जो है वो सब flowers से बनते हैं. ये सब fruits. All fruits come from flowers, but not all flowers become fruits. Flowers से fruits बनते हैं, लेकिन हर एक flower से fruits नहीं बनते. Fruits have seeds that can grow into new plants. All fruits have seeds and it grow into new plant. Here are some fruits. Have you tasted any of these? ये देखिए, यहाँ पर कुछ फ्रूट्स आपको दिए हैं. बनाना है, ग्रेप्स है, पोमेग्रेनेट है, एप्पल है, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज ऑरेंज और पाइनएप्पल. यू हैव टेस्टेड एनी ऑफ दीज? So, have you tested any of these? Yes, we have tested all of these. Some fruits, like the one shown above, taste good and can be eaten. Some fruits cannot be eaten as they are poisonous. Others do not taste nice. कुछ फ्रूट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसके टेस्ट अच्छे नहीं होते और वो जहरीले होते हैं, तो उसे नहीं खाना चाहिए. एंड अदर डू नॉट टेस्ट नाइस, के टेस्ट भी गुड, उसके टेस्ट भी अच्छे नहीं होते. ओके स्टूडेंट, योर होमवर्क इज ड्रा अ प्लांट and label their parts in your rough notebook. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.